Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I am taking out these sprinkles. Okay, I had them in for about 2 weeks, and I'm gonna give y'all a little update on what's going on with them. And also I'm going to be talking to you guys about my reattached locks. If y'all don't know, I had reattached my locks probably like, shoot, I don't even know when I reattached them, but it's been a while. So I'm just gonna give y'all a little update on that while I'm taking these sprinkles out. Okay, I really love the sprinkles. Okay, I don't want to take them out, but I'm gonna take them out only because what is this called, the color coding on the beads is coming off. So I haven't washed my hair yet, and I was gonna do it today, but I was like, let me take these sprinkles out because I already know that the little color coding is gonna come off. So I'm just gonna take these off because let me see, let me get closer so y'all can kind of see. I don't know if y'all can really tell. All right, so these were gold. If you can tell now, they kind of look like, some of them still gold, but some of them look clear. Okay, and where's another one? All right, this one right here, this one was green. This is white now. Okay, it's hard to see, but this one was blue. This one is white as well. It still have a little tint of blue. Y'all can't really see it in the back, but yeah, it's not the same color that it was 2 weeks ago, and that's because of the beads that I use. They didn't really last long, and I kind of didn't expect it to last that long either because they're cheap beads. But I ended up finding out I have more beads. Hold on. Okay, so I ended up finding out that I do have more beads, right? And these actually have the colors that I wanted, like this green one. I'm thinking about doing this like, it's like a creamy white, this light green, these two. So yeah, I really actually like these, but I'm not gonna put these in my hair right now because I do want to dye my hair. And let's take these beads out, and let's get into talking about my reattached locks. All right, so first, to take these beads out, you want to find your starting point and just cut. Make sure you don't cut the locks. These scissors is pretty small, so they really dull actually too. So for the ones that don't know, I reattached my locks because they had broke off due to me not wearing a bonnet, and also because they wasn't properly moisturized, and without no bonnet, yeah, they was gonna break off. Okay, so I reattached them and I was content with it, but some of them were slipping out, you know, because they were still too short, you know, like the part that I was reattaching was still too short. So I was like, okay. So I did wrap some hair around it. Hold on. So yeah, so I did wrap some kinky bulk hair around the new growth and the lock that needed to be reattached. And then I crocheted in, okay? And that worked for me. It really did. Like, that process did work for me. The only thing is I felt like it wasn't serving me no purpose anymore. I don't know. It just wasn't serving me no purpose. Like, it's like, why don't you just wait till your hair grow, you know? But me personally, I just wanted to have, that look of fullness in the back. So that's why I reattached it. And I felt like I had a big old bald spot in my these scissors is not working for me. Hold on, y'all. a little flat in the back compared to the fullness all throughout my head. It just looked really flat. Ooh, these scissors is too big. I'm not even gonna trust myself with that. Let me just stick with these dull ones. Because if it don't cut, that means I can't cut my hair, you know? So I decided to take out the reattached locks because it just wasn't serving me the purpose. And I was just like, you know what? I really do want all of this to be my own natural hair. I don't want any no, you know, added hair to my locks. You know, I want it to just be all me. And I'm not about to just, you know, reattach it just for the purpose of me, you know, having a full head through all throughout. So I did take them out, and I'm about to show y'all in a little bit what it looks like now. Like I had to accept the fact what I did to my hair and know that I wasn't going to do that again. Like right now, my hair is literally thriving. It is growing. Even the back is growing. Like now, don't get me wrong. It is short compared to the other parts of my locks, which makes it look not as full. And then, sorry, it's not as full as it is like in the perimeter of my head. Like the center of my head is just very short, so it's not giving that oomph, that fullness like the other like parts of my hair is. I don't know if y'all can see the flatness compared to the fullness like this, and then the back. And what really makes it like an illusion that it's like not really short is that because it's black now, which I'm thankful for, because when I had the color hair, it was very much noticeable. Like look at this, like short, this one is short, this one is short, and then there's also like some locks that I had to restart all over again, so they're not fully like matured. They're still in their baby stages. They haven't even budded yet. So and then there's also some locks that I can't even start now because it's still like growing, if they make sense. Like I gotta show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all once I finish with this part. But back to these sprinkles real quick. As y'all can see, they are coming out. Lock is still intact, not damaged at all. This is the lock, still in good condition. And I'm just gonna take out this next one. So yeah, it doesn't look full, and you know, you gotta just accept the fact, you know. And I'm not tripping about it because it's a journey. It's literally a journey, so I can't really, you know, be too upset about it, because like really, like it would have been longer than that, but it was really my fault. But now I'm taking extra precautions. I am using a bonnet every night now. I am moisturizing my hair properly. And yeah. Y'all, I'm about to try something because I kind of actually did it before, and I actually think I might kind of like it. So I seen this girl, and I don't know her IG name, but she's like one of those, like, you know, trending micro lock girls. Like, you know, she, like, y'all probably know who she is, but she had said that she retwists her hair every 3 to 4 weeks, and then she does a retie every I think it was like every 2 to 3 months or something like that. And I don't know why I'm thinking about doing it or trying it out for me, because I had recently retwisted, And I should have recorded it, but I didn't. But I had just, you know, I was just playing around to see like what you know, what was gonna happen. And I think I genuinely like it, because like sometimes my hair grows really fast. Like I've been seeing the comments where people be saying, oh, I think you need to, you know, do a retie. But genuinely, I really don't. It's just my hair just, I don't know why. It's just like right now, look at my hair, okay? It looks like I need a retie right now, right? If I retie it, there's not going to be much room for me to like retie anything, you know? So I'm really thinking about just oh, I'm almost done with this one quick. I'm thinking about just retwisting it, you know, every so often, and then doing the retie when needed, you know. It's like I said, it looks like I need a retie in the front. Like and you know me, I do 3-point rotations. So, well, I do 3-point rotation, and then I do 2-point rotations on some of the locks. But if the lock that I do 3-point rotations in, I'm not gonna have space to like do it, you know. But it does look like I need to do a retie. Even though, look, me personally, I don't mind this little frizzy look and all this stuff like that. Like, I actually like that. But, you know, I do want to make sure that my hair is maintained properly. And I don't always want to, like, be retying it when I don't really need to, you know. Let me know if you guys prefer to do retwist or a retie on micro locks, and like how long does your retwist last if you do it. Let me talk to you guys about the crystal ones. They still in. I don't plan on taking them out no time soon, because it is on my locks that are black, so I don't have to take those out anytime soon. But I want to let y'all know that those are not like changing colors like the beads are, because they're crystals. They're genuine crystals. So they literally still look the same from when I put them in, you know. With my lock journey, I feel as though I can't really do much. Like, I know most people, you know, probably have the same concern, feel the same way. But, like, I still do, you know, some styles and stuff like that. But, I don't know, I just feel like I've been in the same stage of growth for the longest. Even though, like, I see the growth. Like, I feel the growth, you know. The growth is definitely there. But I just feel like there's no growth. And that's just me feeling like that. But I know that I am, like, there's, like, my locks is maturing. And sometimes I got to realize that healthiness is better than length, you know. Like, you can have length, but is your hair healthy, you know. And that's what really I need to, like, understand. Like, you may not have your length right now, okay. And it's just right now, like, it's going to come. You know, it just takes time. And to be honest, I'm only a year and a half in. So I have to understand that this is not something that is just going to happen overnight. But your girl want her hair to her shoulders. Like I'm almost there, you know. But it's like, you know, and then it's like, this part will be long, this part will be short. So it's like everything is like, you know, it's just growing how it grows. And I love my hair. Do not get me wrong. I love my locks. I am accepting of this journey. It's just that I feel, me personally, that I'm not seeing progress, you know. But I know that the progress is there, you know. And sometimes we got to understand, just because you don't feel it, don't mean that it's not there, okay? Progress is not going to always be visible, but just know that it's there, okay? Even when it don't feel like you're doing progress, just know it's there. And I have to relate that to like my hair and my life, okay? So
Mommy, I'm strong.
Yeah, you are strong. You are strong. We are capable. We strong even when we don't see the progress, okay?
Yeah.
My hair is strong, baby.
Yeah.
Luxurious.
Yeah.
I know that it's gonna grow. I just have to give it time, you know. Yeah, so don't feel bad if you don't see no progress with your locks, okay? That is expected. You just like this, like I said, this is a journey. You gotta stick it through to see the progress. And know that there is progress even when you don't see it, okay? And yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one, okay? Bye.